Hi everyone, this is Sophia and this is my video entry for public speaking. For my discussion, I want to talk about exercise. And I know exercise probably isn't the most intriguing topic for everyone else, but this has been an important part of my life over the last couple of years, and I want to share about that with you guys. So about 2 or 3 years ago, I started off at my heaviest, not thinking that I'd be capable of doing this, but I knew I wanted to make a difference. So I told myself that I would try this out, trying to have a positive mindset at all times. Obviously, that's not a reality. You are going to have your ups and downs. This was more of a roller coaster journey, and I learned a lot from it. I think what was most interesting about this journey was all the benefits that you gain from this in regards to your physical aspect, the mental capacity it takes, and the discipline that you build showing up for yourself every day. It took me a long time to really begin appreciating that and started feeling more confident in myself of being able to do that and the results that I was gaining with it. So I feel that the audience that I'm really reaching out for here is anybody who's wanting to really challenge themselves and find a healthier version of themselves. I feel that everyone is capable of doing this. It's just finding that time and commitment for yourself. And I get it. We all think about exercise as a chore or something that we don't want to do or that we don't have the time or energy for. And I told myself that if I have 30 minutes a day to be on my phone, then I have 30 minutes to do a workout. And I think what made it very intriguing for me was being able to do this from home and trust myself that I can follow a workout and learn from it, modify it if I needed to. And I didn't have to commit to showing up to a gym at this time as I started off my journey. And I started becoming very comfortable with just working out at home. So why would this audience find the topic interesting? I feel that anybody who's wanting to start off this journey would find this topic interesting by somebody who's sharing a similar experience of where they started, where they're at, how they continued, how they pushed themselves, and challenges that they faced across beginning this journey. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys in regards to exercising. I encourage everyone to do it. I know that it's easier said than done, but I can guarantee everyone that you guys are more than capable of experiencing this for yourself.